Whispers of a distant storm, echoes of a soul reborn. Chains of fear are cast away. Brighter dawns will lead the way. Light divine, irradiant light through the veil of endless night, with voices strong and spirits high, will reach beyond the sky. In unity, we stand as one, facing the moon, embracing sun. The battle's fierce, but hope remains, forever bound in love's pure flame. So let our voices echo, a song of courage for